In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page orientation landscape. If you've ever tried to fit a wide table, a panoramic image, or a side-by-side comparison onto a single page and found it cramped, switching your document to a horizontal layout can make everything clearer and more readable. Landscape orientation widens your page from left to right, giving you more horizontal space so your content breathes and looks more professional. Here's how to do it in a clear, simple flow. First, open your document and go to the menu bar at the top. Click File, then choose Page Setup. This opens a small window where you control how your entire page is formatted. You'll usually see options for page size, margins, and paper color, along with a section called Orientation. Think of this window as your document's control center. It's where the page shape and layout are defined before any printing or sharing. Inside that page setup window, look for Orientation. You'll see two choices, Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is the tall, vertical style you're probably used to. Landscape is the wide, horizontal style. Select Landscape. If there's a preview in the window, you should see it rotate to a wider view. This choice tells your document to display and print pages horizontally, which is perfect for content that needs more width. Once you've selected Landscape, click OK to confirm. Your document will immediately switch to the horizontal format. You'll notice your text reflows to fit the wider page, and wide elements like images or tables may appear more comfortable across the page. Take a quick moment to scroll and review your content after the change. This is a great time to check line breaks, headings, and spacing, since a broader layout can shift where text wraps or where a table breaks across pages. Keep in mind an important tip. Changing the orientation in page setup affects the entire document. This means every page in your file will be landscape. If your project depends on combining different orientations, plan your content accordingly. Group wide content together in one document, and keep vertical pages in a separate file for consistency and easier printing. And that's all it takes. Click File, choose Page Setup, under Orientation select Landscape, and click OK. With those few clicks, you'll have a cleaner, wider canvas that better serves charts, timelines, and any content that benefits from extra horizontal room. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the clarity that a well-chosen orientation can bring to your work.